welcome to our channel. Today I and my beautiful daughter are going to be teaching you how to measure a child. So we'll be taking the shoulder measurement from the shoulder bone to the other shoulder bone, like so. Now that will be for a gown. If it's a sleeveless gown, it should be shorter by probably 1 inch shorter so that it doesn't hang at the edge of the shoulders. Yes. And then for the back measurement, you take from the nape, that bone under the neck, to the waist, because the back measurement is not the same as the front. That's why some waist hang so low. It's shorter by ½ an inch. Yeah, so when you measure that, you go to the front. To measure the front from the shoulder to the waist, you start from the highest point on the neck, like that, and go down to 1 inch above the belly button. Don't measure on the belly button, the waist will be too low. About 1 inch above the belly button. And so the next thing we're going to measure is the chest. You put your tape measure around the chest from the beginning of the tape measure where you have the metal. Yeah, the chest and the waist don't have much difference for a child. Usually they're even the same for younger children, or just a difference of about 1 inch. So you measure around the chest, and of course you take the waist measurement. The next thing we're going to be measuring is the sleeve length from the shoulder bone. If it's a short sleeve, you can determine where you want to stop, if it's going to the elbow or if it's going all the way to the wrist. So you measure that, and then you're going to measure the width, the sleeve width. Yeah, you put your tape around where you want to stop, starting from the beginning of the tape, go around the elbow if it's going to be elbow long, or if it's going to be a full long sleeve, you go around the wrist. And then you measure the length. Always note that whatever length you're measuring, always start from the highest point of the shoulder down to where you're stopping, to wherever you're stopping. Always start from the highest point of the shoulder, okay? And then you stop where you want. If you need to take the hip measurement, you'll be going, okay, you need to take the lap measurement because of the if it's a trouser or a jumpsuit like what she's wearing, you put it around the lap. If it's a longer jumpsuit or trouser, you go around the knee and even around the ankle, depending on the length of making. Now, that's how simple and straightforward measuring a child is.
Thanks for watching this video.
I hope you learned something new today. We'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye. 2, 3, go.
Thanks for watching this video.
Hello. Don't stop. Don't stop. We're starting from high, everyone.